Hi, my people. Welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. It's day 39. I am Francisca Mailiana Zonki, your lead tutor for this challenge. So, today we are going to be looking at filters, lasers, and build true. All right, so note this is to let you understand the basics of data analytics as you start your journey. All right, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share to anyone who wants to learn data analytics or anyone who wants to enter into tech and they don't know where to go. Right, we are giving you the right information, the basic information, so that you can start your journey. Also note that data analytics is one skills that you can use in every field you find yourself. All right, in tech as well, or in any industry as well. So let's get into our Power BI desktop again, right? And then let's look at our slicers and filters and also look at what drill through is like. All right, so let's get into that. With this, our data set, right? So still on the education data set. um um, I think I really wanted to change the data set into a business data set, but unfortunately, let's just keep one data set. Hopefully, in the coming challenges or in our class, we can use our business data sets as well. When I say business data sets, like sales, like what goes into business, right? We are going to do business intelligence as a challenge also on this platform. So just stay tuned. Like, let's learn together as well. So let's just stick with this one. So the very first thing we are going to look at are slices, and I think we started looking at it from our previous um, work on this dashboard, right? So this is called a slicer. We have about three different slicers here. We have the button slicer, we have the list text slicer, and we have the list slicer. So I'm going to just right now this is the button, right? Let me get it right. Button slicer. So it comes off like this, it shows off like this, right? I can change it to text slicer, and this is how it looks like. Right, you have to put in text. It's not really conversant or convenient, right? And then we have the list. So the list is this way that you pick it that way. So it's more about how you want to present your dashboard. So I want the button one, which is showing it more nicer like this as well. I can actually change colors and all that as well, right? But this is it. Right. So what are sliders for? Sliders helps you actually make your presentation very interactive or makes your dashboard very interactive. So because when you click on it, so when we say interactive dashboard, sliders are used for that, right? Sliders helps you do that as well. So you can just pick on entry level, senior level, and all that, mid level and all that as well. And this is also one of the like slicers. We talked about the field of study, business, and all that. So you can see that all the charts are being affected as well. All right, so that is slicer. So now let's look at the filter pane. So when we say we are filtering something, what does it mean? All right, so I'm going to take this chart, right? I'm going to take our number of students per field study and I will want to filter it. Okay, so probably I want to filter it to maybe the top 5 or top 10, right? All right, so I can come here, right? So this is the filter pane and you can see the two fields, right? The count of students ID, right? Or the count of students, right? Literally is this one. I wouldn't want to change anything. I want to find the top 5 field of study which has the highest, right? So I'll click on that and I can see it says basic filtering, right? So I'll click here and I can see advanced filtering and top N. So I want to see the top 5. So I'm going to take top N. So now top what? I want to see top 5. Okay. Then now by which values? I want to see it by the fields. All right. Let's apply and see. Right. So it's showing me the top 5 study fields, right? The highest is psychology, law, marketing, medicine, and nursing. Do you understand? So I can also say maybe top 10 if it's possible, or let's say top 3 and apply. the top three. All right. So let's change it to the count of students and let's see. Okay. All right. So let's say top five again. All right. So it's the same. Hey, it's changing. So we have to be very careful. Right. You see law here, you see marketing here, you see arts here. So let's go and do advanced, right? Let's count, right, and apply. Do you get? So because we just gave it the information, it just did by default. But then you have to come here. Is it the first, is it the last, or is it the count distinct? Count distinct is going to just select, let's see, count is it. It's just going to count it accordingly, right? It's the same thing, right? So let's take the count itself and it's going to tell us that this. So it's counting the number of students for each of the field of study. So you see that the business is the highest. So always the by value, you have to check which one is showing. Okay. So let's take it off and let's bring out, sorry, let's bring the field of study again and see if we can count it better. Right. So let's count and let's apply. It's still the same. So you have to count. So that's filter. So you can just bring the number of top five, top three, depending on what you want to see, and you filter, right? So filtering, and the more you play around these tools, the more you understand better. And also note that Power BI is what you see is what you get. All right, so that is filter, the filter pane for you, right? So you can use to filter and all of that as well. So I can just erase everything and I'm good to go. Then I can just close it, right? So that's filter. So now let's look at the drill through, right? So drill through is like you want to drill your data, you want to deep go into your data very into details. All right. So say I'm going to create a new chart, a new page, and I'm going to bring my table, right? I think let's use metrics, right? And I'm going to take I take entrepreneurship now. I'm going to take maybe the field of study. No, let's take the gender. Or no, let's take the field of study rather. And let's take the gender. Yes, and let's take the gender. And now let's take maybe their SAT scores. Or let's take job offers, right? So according to, let me expand, right? So we can see the whole. So according to the gender, we can see the job offers that comes in. Females are getting more job offers, right? And males are getting more job offers, right? Okay, so that is it. Now I'll drill through. We've not added any fields here. So let's add a field onto our drill through, and that will be gender. All right, that will be gender. Right, so immediately, let me drag this down a bit. Immediately I added the drill through, you can see an arrow come here that says Control plus click here to go to the previous page in this report. So let's do Control and I click here. It comes to the previous page, right? So now when I click here and I click on this, when I write, oh, it's supposed to, hold on, I'm supposed to see, okay. Oh, okay, this is gender. Okay, I didn't even bring the drill through here. Let's bring the drill through here. All right. So drill shoot is a feature of filter, right? So what I did is I brought the gender here and it's affecting everything, right? So when you come in and click on uh female or male, you see it happening as well. So it's a type of filter that happens as well. Oh, sorry. Uh, I have not signed in. Don't worry about that. I think the drill tree is not allowing me. All right, so that is actually I think because of the drill through I need to sign in. Don't have access to Copilot. That's fine. I'll sign in later. Right. So when I oh my god. I think with the activation of the drill show, that's why it's happening for me to sign in, right? And most of you may not be able to sign in because you are not with organization email, but that is actually the drill through. It's more of like another feature of um filtering, right? So we can go through that. If you want to learn more, this is basics, right? As well. So we can. I just want to be able to show you one last thing. It's not allowing me. All right, so let me just put in my email. All right, so I think it's taking time, but that is it for today. So drill through is here is a sort of filtering that helps you actually. You're supposed to actually see when you click on. It's still telling me to sign in, but uh, unfortunately, when it comes to drill, we have to actually sign in. All right. I've not had that challenge before, but that's what it's telling us. So I hope you understand the slicer. I hope you understand the drill through. We're going to get more. I'm going to find out more about the cause of the problem and we take it from there. Thank you so much for learning with us, and I'm going to see you on day 40.